In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll feel confident choosing a PDF, switching into editing mode, refining existing text, adding new text where you need it, and placing images cleanly so your document looks polished and professional. First, select the PDF file you want to work on. Open Adobe Acrobat Pro and bring your file into view. You can use the home screen to browse to your document or simply drag and drop the PDF into Acrobat. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct version, especially if you keep multiple drafts. Once your PDF is visible, you're ready to start making changes. Next, go to the top and click Edit. This activates Acrobat's editing mode and reveals the tools you need. You'll notice that when Edit is on, text areas and objects become selectable. Acrobat analyzes the layout and identifies paragraphs, so you can interact with the content more like you would in a word processor. If something doesn't highlight at first, try zooming in or clicking slightly inside the text area to catch the correct bounding box. Now you can edit the text or add text. To change existing text, click directly on the words you want to update and start typing. Use the formatting options to adjust font, size, color, and alignment so your edits match the surrounding style. If the original font isn't available on your system, Acrobat will substitute one. Keep an eye on spacing and line breaks as you type. For new content, choose the option to add text, then click on the page where the new text should live. A text box appears and you can type your content, resize the box, and drag it into perfect position. For a consistent look, match fonts and sizes already used in the document, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat and readable. You can also add an image. Select the Add Image tool, browse to your picture or graphic, and place it on the page. Handles around the image let you resize while preserving proportions, and you can rotate or nudge it with your arrow keys for precise placement. If the image sits over text, adjust its position or size so it complements the layout, and consider using a high-resolution file to keep it sharp. Keep margins in mind so your image doesn't feel crowded or misaligned with nearby elements. That's the complete flow. Select your PDF, click Edit at the top, refine or add text, and place images as needed. With these essentials, you can update reports, fix typos, insert notes, or enhance visuals quickly and clearly in Adobe Acrobat Pro.